This is the season of giving. Listen, although every day of the year is a great time to give, this particular time of year is most certainly a time to pause for gratitude, count your blessings, give thanks and reflect on your life, perform random acts of kindness, pay it forward, give someone a nice compliment, do a good deed, all the things. And I just absolutely love it because for me, I'm on double duty. That means I give that much more this time of year than I do throughout the rest of the year. Today, for Thanksgiving, I'm going to give you one of my vegan recipes, my famous jack stew, a family favorite. I have a family full of meat eaters and they still can't believe this is not meat. So I make many traditional recipes and of course I create some new ones, but I use meat substitutes. So just because you're a vegan doesn't mean your food, has to be boring or that you need to deprive yourself of any of your favorites. Drop in the comments below jack stew if you want this recipe.